The Douglas County Sheriff's Office makes a big bust in a gun burglary case. Jacqueline Fernandez is on the story and has the details at the alert desk. Hi, Jacqueline.
Hey, Dave, this all started yesterday evening when the Douglas County Sheriff's Office responded to a burglary report where 3 firearms and a pellet gun were stolen. A few hours later, the weapons we're going to show you on your screen here, right here, were recovered after the Sheriff's Special Operations Group executed a search warrant at the Motel 6 on 84th Street just off I-80. They also arrested 7 people on varying charges, mostly related to burglary and possession of stolen firearms, along with some outstanding warrants. Now, they are on your screen here: Ronald Davis Jr., Brett Thomas Jr., Jacqueline Clary, Madison Hicks, and Kayla Tatum. Now, the 7th person, Megan Sunderman, is not pictured on your screen. In a statement, the Sheriff's Office says Omaha Police and the Sarpy County Sheriff's Department helped in the investigation. They do want to thank the department and their partners for their efforts and expertise. Dave?
All right, Jacqueline Fernandez live in studio. We'll see you coming up at the top of the hour.